Good evening. Please, before I start anything, just forgive my voice. I've been sick, basically. I've been having under the weather a little bit, my throat and so on. Anyway, here's I'm posting the cultural geography topics discussion number two. Again, this is different from the cultural geography news. This is cultural geography topics. So every week I post a topic, question, or debate about some items that we're discussing in class or they come up in your readings. But the deadline indicated below, you will contribute to the discussion and post a brief, well-written, usually a minimum of 5 to 6 sentences, paragraph, discussing the topic and its connection with concepts that are being discussed in class. You will post your paragraph in the discussion forum of Blackboard. There will be four, each worth 50 points for a total of 200 points, and may not be made up for any reason. If you post them past the deadline, you may not get full credit. Please check the schedule and look for the dates when these will be due. You will get 50 points credit if you post a minimum of one well thought out, well written paragraph discussing the issues involved. The second component of this assignment is to comment on at least one of the responses written by one of your classmates. You may want to respond to more than one, but you must comment on at least one of the responses to get full credit. The issues presented up for discussion may involve controversial debates related to a topic in cultural geography. If the issue is a debate, please make sure you present both sides of the issue, and you may provide an opinion of the side of the issue that you support. Please be respectful of people with opinions that are different than yours. Keep etiquette rules in mind as you write your responses. I moved up the deadline for cultural geography topics number two. Please respond to get full credit by Wednesday, January 10th by 11:59 p.m. And please follow the guidelines carefully. On the first one, I was generally lenient, but many of you did not provide the two sides of the debate. Many of you also did not fully address the issue that I was asking you to debate. For this particular topic, for topic discussion number two, here we go. Some countries designate one or more languages as official. The official language is used by government to enact legislation and to conduct other public businesses. As the primary language of the United States, English is used for all official documents, but it does not have an official status at the national level. On the other hand, 20 states in the United States have English-only laws, making English the official language of those states. Please debate whether English should be the official language of the United States. For background information about this topic, please refer to pages 162 to 163 of your textbook. Take care, and we'll see you online.